Before we begin, one important clarification. This is not a promotional ranking video. We are not naming schools. We are not declaring any school as best or number one. This video explains how CBSE schools were evaluated in India's first strict evidence study and what this study does and does not claim. Over the years, school rankings have become influential but also confusing. Many rankings rely on inputs such as opinion surveys, paid awards, self-submitted data, or popularity signals. These inputs are difficult for parents or the public to independently verify. When rankings depend on perception rather than evidence, they often exaggerate differences, reward branding over governance, and create unnecessary comparison battles. This study was designed as a response to those limitations. In this study, one rule was non-negotiable. If something cannot be verified using public domain evidence, it is not used. Public domain evidence means information that is legally accessible to anyone without payment or invitation and capable of independent verification. Examples include regulatory records, mandatory disclosures, governance documentation, and academic consistency over time. No private submissions were accepted. No school participation was required. This approach makes the study slower, but significantly more transparent and defensible. To avoid bias and conflicts of interest, several common ranking inputs were deliberately excluded. These include parent or student surveys, paid awards or sponsorship rankings, self-submitted institutional claims, and online popularity metrics. These exclusions are not criticisms of schools. They are methodological boundaries designed to protect the integrity of the research and the dignity of institutions. This part is especially important. This study does not certify or accredit schools. It does not guarantee academic outcomes. It does not judge classroom-level teaching. And it does not declare any school as best or worst. Instead, it examines institutional credibility using defined, transparent parameters. Rankings should be read as signals, not verdicts. When evidence is used instead of perception, something interesting happens. Differences between schools often appear narrower than rankings suggest. Balance tends to matter more than brand. Governance stability matters more than visibility. This helps parents make calmer decisions, encourages schools to focus on governance rather than hype, and allows policymakers to see systemic patterns more clearly. Education benefits from clarity, not noise. For the full research, including methodology, articles, and disclosures, please visit the Canonical Research page on CCLP Worldwide. In upcoming videos, we will explore what public evidence reveals, how parents should read rankings carefully, and whether school rankings can ever be ethical. Thank you for engaging thoughtfully.